only with the hands, but with the beautiful legs. Not only eyes, but beautiful ears. And all the body parts that He has created, I believe He deserves our praises not only by singing, but also by dancing, using our all body parts which is created by God. I can see some of us, I know the weather is quite cold, and we don't want to remove our hands from the pocket, isn't it? But at this moment, let us all take this opportunity to praise our God not only by singing, but also by dancing. So, I request everyone to kindly stand and let's have a dance along with the song, okay? And the song is Sorgoloy Jamami Nasi Nasi.